Let's talk about table lookup fields and why they're so powerful. In short, table lookup fields help keep your data clean and consistent by only letting users enter values that already exist in a related table. When you set up a table lookup field in your app, you create a direct link to that related table. And from then on, only values in that table can be used for that field. Here's why table lookups are such a valuable feature in the Nextworld platform. Consistency. They make sure users only select from valid, existing data. A table lookup field retrieves values from a related table. This means users can only select valid entries pulled directly from the related table, which helps prevent typos and keeps your data accurate. Efficiency. Any updates made in the source table automatically show up in your app. Better reporting. Since your data stays clean, reports and dashboards become more useful. Improved user experience. Table lookups guide users so they don't have to guess what to enter. Let's look at a common use case. Imagine you have a job posting management app that has a field for the recruiter's name. The recruiter field is set up as a table lookup and pulls data from the name field in the directory table. That means only names that already exist in the directory can be selected. If someone tries to enter a name that's not listed, they'll get an error and won't be able to save. But when they enter a valid name, it pops right into the field. And there's more. You can add related fields. Related fields pull in additional data from the same row of the related table. In our job posting app example, the office location field is a related field. Once a user enters the recruiter's name, it automatically pulls their city and state from the same table and row. Users can't change this field. It updates only when the data in the reference table changes. Now, let's walk through the steps to create a table lookup field using the recruitment management application. We navigated to the No-Code Studio and opened the app in edit mode. In the View panel, confirm you're in list form, and in the drop zone, make sure column fields is displayed. In the Fields panel, make sure New is selected. Now we are ready to add the table lookup field. Type Table into Add New Field and press Enter on your keyboard. Drag the table lookup field type into the column fields drop zone. In the List Form viewer, rename the field to Hiring Manager and select Confirm. The next step is to link the table lookup field to the related table. Go to the Field Properties panel and confirm the basic page is selected. Let's scroll down a bit to get a better view. In the Table Lookup Definition section, find the related table field and enter Directory. Then select Directory from the menu. In this example, the primary search field autofills with name. The primary search field tells the system which value to check when a user selects or enters something into a table lookup field. Now that the related table is linked, we add the table lookup field to the detail form. Use the Action menu to open the detail form. In the Fields panel, select Existing and find the Hiring Manager Directory field. Let's scroll down a bit. All the fields listed below this field are from the related table and can be added to the app as related fields. To add the table lookup field to the app, we drag the Hiring Manager field to the detail form. Now let's add a related field. In the Fields panel, find the Primary Organization Unit field and drag it to the detail form. We have completed the steps to add a table lookup field and a related field to the app. Select Save and Stay. Then Generate. Now let's make sure everything works. Use the Row Action menu to launch the app. Since this is a new app, there won't be any records. Click Create. Notice the Hiring Manager field has a magnifying glass icon. This icon tells users of the app that this field is a table lookup field. Also, notice that the Primary Organization Unit field is blank. We enter a name into the Hiring Manager field and select the name from the menu. Look! The Primary Organization Unit field now has Antonio's unit's location, as it is listed in the directory table. Table lookup fields are a great way to keep your data clean and consistent, make data entry more efficient, improve reporting, and streamline the user experience. Try adding a table lookup field to one of your own applications and see it in action. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. To learn more about this topic, open the Nextworld Help menu and search for table lookup fields.